The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway, just 21 miles across at its tightest point. Yet, it handles about 20% of the world's oil. For India, around 2 million barrels of crude per day flow through this fragile corridor. That is nearly 40% of its imports. Major suppliers like Iraq, Saudi Arabia and the UAE rely on this route. If Iran blocks the strait, global prices will spike, supply lines may falter, and economies worldwide, including India's, could feel the squeeze. But is India panicking? Not quite. Years of diversification have reduced India's reliance on the strait. Russian oil, for instance, now forms over. 40% of India's crude imports compared to under 1% before 2022. Supplies also come from the US, Brazil and West Africa, none of which depend on the Persian Gulf.
We import roughly 4 million barrels through other routes, and our companies, the oil marketing companies, have enough stocks. Most of them have stocks up to 3 weeks. One of them has in fact 25 days stocks. And we are also confident that we can increase the supply of crude through other routes should the situation so warrant.
India isn't alone. China, which imports nearly half of its crude through Hormuz, including over 1.8 million barrels per day from Iran, is also in a bind. The US now wants Beijing to pressure Tehran.
Closing of the Strait of Hormuz by Iran is something that it would be extremely dangerous and not good for anybody.
Domestically, India is building resilience. It holds emergency crude reserves for 9 to 10 days and commercial stocks for several weeks. Ethanol blending, green hydrogen and EV push are also cushioning long-term dependency. And if needed, India can temporarily halt petroleum exports and reroute its entire supply chain. Whether or not Iran follows through, the threat alone is enough to shake markets. For India, preparedness will be tested, but panic is off the table, at least for now. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.